vegan vanilla cake. This is so easy that a kid can make it. So light, fluffy, and delicious vegan vanilla cake. 2 layers of vanilla sponge topped with a velvety vegan vanilla frosting and fresh strawberries. Ideal for special occasion. Well, today's a very special occasion.
I'm 40. I wish I could say that I feel differently, but I don't. And so I decided that I wanted to do something for myself today. I wanted to do something that I've never done before.
All-purpose flour, white granulated sugar, bake my own cake. Okay, baking soda, have that. Salt. I'm actually surprised I have vanilla extract. I've made cookies before, I just haven't made a cake before, so hopefully this is a similar process. Okay, I think we're good. I will end the day with the most delicious fluffy cake I've ever had in my life, and this is gonna spin off a different career of baking and creating beautiful baked goods. Oh, I think this is gonna turn out good. Okay. Add the soy milk or almond milk, vanilla, oil, and vinegar. Okay. I woke up today wanting to bake a cake because it's not the idea of eating a cake. It's just more about trying something that I've never tried before and not knowing how it's going to turn out. 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. And I think that is kind of like one of my biggest goals for this decade is to never stop learning and trying new things. I think at a certain age, a lot of people immediately just say, oh, I'm too old for this. Like, I don't want to try that. I don't want to try anything new. This looks so cute. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself already. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but it's looking pretty hopeful. Oh my God, I'm getting my Margiela skirt so dirty. I think my baking era is coming. Okay. Preheat the oven. So far, so good. This is so therapeutic.
Oh, wow, that looks good.
I know, are you proud of me?
Yeah. It tastes pretty good.
Right?
Oh, this is very nice.
So good, right?
Yeah, it is very nice.
I'm already proud of myself.
You should.
I think it's gonna be good.
It is good.
Okay. Goodbye. Prepare your frosting. Add the powdered sugar, vegan butter, vanilla, half of soy milk, half of the soy milk. Welcome back to Skin Break. Today we're going to talk about slow aging. Your girl's turning 40, and I'm all about not anti-aging, but slow aging. We're actually going to be talking about all IOPE products. Have you guys heard of IOPE? If you guys haven't, you guys have to get with it because IOPE is the OG of OG skincare brands. IOPE is a pioneer in the Korean skincare market, and they are actually the #1 anti-aging brand. So, you know this is good stuff. First, let's talk about the Retinol Super Bounce Serum. This is one of the most popular gentle retinols in Korea. It's so gentle, it's actually called the 7-day effect serum in Korea because within 7 days you will start seeing your skin transform. But it actually feels more like a very hydrating serum versus a retinol because I feel like a lot of people have retinol scaries. You won't see that with this one. You will not experience it. I have not met one person that has experienced it with this one. And it's soothing and hydrating for all skin types. Next is IOPE's PDRN Caffeine Shot Serum. This guy is really great for lifting and also depuffing because it has caffeine. So it really helps with the swelling if you're like me and wake up with a swollen face every morning. It's actually inspired by the PDRN injections in the Korean skin clinics. Obviously, it's a lot more accessible. You could do it right in your own home and it's a vegan formula, so it's really great for sensitive skin. There's no downtime, and it just gives you this really intense hydration that the PDRN injection actually gives you right after. This has no downtime. It's actually one of the serums that really helps my skin just to start off the first thing in the morning. Okay, the last one is a cream that I absolutely adore. The whole family uses it. It's the Ilian Ceramide Auto Concentrate Cream. So it's a thick texture like this. It's a moisture barrier repair and it's vegan certified, so it's really gentle. Again, extremely hydrating for the face and the body, and it just melts into your skin and it gives you 100-hour of deep hydration throughout the day. It's nice because it's like a one cream for all, the whole family, the whole body, the whole face. So especially when we go on family vacations, I just carry this cream and it's like job done.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You know, this actually seems a lot easier than what I was imagining it to be. For some reason, I overcomplicated it in my head, thinking that it was gonna be this like super difficult task, and knock on wood, jinxing, hopefully I'm not jinxing it. But I think that's we all tend to do in life is we tend to overthink things and we create these scenarios and ideas of how things are gonna turn out. But 99% of the time, it never goes that way. I think we're all masters, especially myself, at creating our own anxiety and being our worst own enemy. And I remember when I had the girls, when I had Chloe for the first time, and I started flying with her and traveling with her, I was so nervous, and I would create these ideas in my head of things that could happen and go wrong, just so I could mentally prepare and physically prepare for any meltdowns or anything. And yeah, I mean, sometimes it would, but like 9 out of 10 times, it wouldn't. So just a little thought is don't overthink things. This is the frosting. This is so good. Oh my God. Just try it.
Mm.
I've never used these before. I'm even surprised I have them.
Very cute.
They're so cute, huh? Okay. Oh! Yes, yes, it did! Ooh, it's so nice. And then how do I flip it back? I'm a little scared. It wasn't cooked enough.
We wanted more sheet.
I think we need to put it back in. It's too mushy. I should put the toothpick in. So we're gonna put this guy back into the oven. Okay, round 2. Let's do this. Ooh, story of my life. But I never give up. Okay, looks better. It's perfect. It's perfect. I'm very happy with this. Look, I baked a cake for my birthday for myself. Gently. Ooh, looks good, guys. And then we could add some strawberries on top.
It's like a mud pool.
A mud pool. You guys have literally made it into a pudding. That's not cute. Should we put it on a different plate? I'm glad that we get to do this together. That looks so pretty.
I'm gonna eat this.
Should we just keep the middle plain, or what should we do?
Sprinkles.
No. Or should we just leave it plain because we're gonna put a candle in later?
Let's leave it plain.
Okay. Look how beautiful this kisses.
how yummy it is right there.
I'm so pleased with this. The fact that I decided to bake a cake and it turned out, well, we'll see. We're going to test it out. With one candle. I don't need 40. I just need one. Girls, we're gonna celebrate. Can you come here?
Happy birthday to Stinky. Happy
Hey.
birthday to you.
Hey. Can you give me a kiss? I need 40 kisses.
No, yeah.
40 kisses for my 40th birthday. Okay, Colette. Oh. Are you really giving me 40 kisses right now?
And you can't tell it to anybody. It likes you, it won't come true.
Okay. Ready? 2, 3.
Yay!
Yay! It almost feels like duck.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit, huh? Aging is a gift. I never thought I would ever say that. And for those of you that have been watching me for 20 years, my God, thank you for still being here. Things are gonna work out. And so, to the next 10 years. Love you guys.